The setup, that's what we on too. We got the setup going
Yeah.
too. So shit, how this shit work though? I mean, like when do we go to the next person?
What you say?
How this shit work? When do we go to the next person?
Usually, like, say if you not messing with somebody, like, say if somebody being weird type shit, it's like a little skip button right there. You can skip.
Oh, okay. Hey, we gonna let you go. We just fucking with everybody. Hey, but before you know, man, hey, stay easy, man. Stay positive, man. And we YouTubers, man. Fuck with us. Hey, it's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be on YouTube. You wanna find out, man? Follow me. One Wave for family. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. All right, that's a bit, man. We interviewing random people, man. What's your name? Damn. This shit crazy. We interviewing random people, man. What's your name? That nigga look like he in jail. You in jail? Damn, that nigga was in jail. I mean, oh shit. They can't stand my black ass. What are you listening to? Who is that? You didn't listen to some One Way straight out, man. Hey, man, we interviewing random people. What's your name, bro? Oh, no, fuck that shit. That nigga ain't saying shit. We got the next one. How you gonna push the song, but don't tell me what the song is? I got the next one. Alright, see. Damn, it's dark in the bitch. Where that person at? Hey, we interviewing random people, man. What's your name? Nigga like a criminal. He got the whole dark in the motherfucker. What's your name? Nigga can't tell his name. That's a criminal, y'all. If y'all know that nigga shit, he probably on some other shit. Hey, we interviewing random people. Oh shit, he got the shit going. That nigga song was trash. The person I just got done talking to, his song was trash. Hey, who this is? I thought nigga was gonna push next or something. We interviewing random people, man. What's your name? Alright, I gotta push next. These niggas just be answering, don't say nothing. This shit be so weird on here. I can't understand your bitch ass right. I know, shit, it don't matter. I want them to be next. I'm just gonna put this shit in clips like on the footage. I was like, when the nigga gonna stop? I was like, when he gonna stop? Nigga see me dead, you gonna call 911? Damn, them some criminals. Y'all got ski masks on and everything. There's some whole criminals. These niggas was on shit together. Damn, who these little niggas here? Hey, we interviewing random people. What good, huh? What good, youngster? We interviewing random people, man. What's your name?
My name is Mike. What you got going on? You got the little cab going on?
Oh yeah. No. I'm a YouTuber.
What you said you
At first I was playing dead, but shit, everybody just be clicking next on this hoe. I'm a YouTuber. So I was just trying to fuck with people. I'm just fucking with people on this hoe.
I got a question. What's the wildest thing you've seen on this app?
Man, this is my first time getting on this hoe, man. That's why I'm trying to see how this hoe is. But this hoe really weird already. I see nothing.
Yeah, don't be on this app.
Alright, but y'all look like y'all young, man. So y'all keep it moving, man. But One Wave family, man. Follow me on YouTube, man. Hey, spit your game like you spend your game on Shorty too. Spit your game, bro. Put some of that Riz on her, fam. Real shit.
That's game.
Yeah. I'm talking to random people, man. What's your name, man? What's your name, man? I'm doing this for the YouTube. What's your name? Ah, niggas is weird on here, man. This is for the YouTube. This is for the YouTube. I'm interviewing random people. This nigga like he playing the game. What are you doing? What's your name? What's your name, bro?
I'm just channel. My bad.
Oh, okay. Damn. Yeah. This for YouTube. We for YouTube. We just fucking with people, man. Really my first time on the app, man. So shit, we just fucking with everybody. What you do?
I mean, I'm just chilling. I'm finna smoke or whatever.
Damn. I'm a stoner. We got a stoner. Ding. We got a stoner. Okay, so what you? So who you finna smoke with? You smoking by yourself or you smoking with somebody?
I was finna phone my best friend, but he finna take a nap. So now I'm just finna finish by myself.
Oh.
I'm about to finish it on here.
Oh, that's a stoner. Don't share the smoke it yourself. Yeah. Hey, what's the weirdest shit? I done blew his eye. I be so lit. What you doing? Good morning. We interviewing random people on here. What you doing? Look like you working.
Warning.
You look like you working. You killing somebody?
Warning.
You horny?
Warning.
I gotta see this. You must finna do some crazy shit. Warning. I thought this nigga's finna kill somebody. Damn.
I'm telling all the fuck niggas at the Krabby Patty.
Oh.
At the Krabby Patty.
Hey man, stay easy, man. Stay easy. Enjoy life.